Welcome back, guys, to Daily Kotoko. Today we're going to be talking about Asante Kotoko's possible lineup against House of Oak in the semi-final on Sunday. Now let's talk about the goalkeeping position. We all know that Felix Annan left to join the Black Stars in Dubai as they prepare for the Africa Cup of Nations. So it is up to Danlad Ibrahim and Tago Muntari to stand up in his place in this crucial game. Tago Muntari was imposed after Felix Annan left. Tago Muntari was imposed against RTU and Koronza Warriors. Danlad Ibrahim surprisingly replaced Tago in the starting lineup against Berkum Arsenal in the last game. And this makes one wonder if CK Akono was resting Tago for the Hearts game or not, or if Tago Muntari was actually injured against Berkum Arsenal. Danlad Ibrahim played his first game since last year, October. Now, Tago Muntari has been training with the team, and I think he will be in post. If he's fit enough, he'll be in post against House of Oak, because I think Siki Akono will need a very fit goalkeeper in this crucial game. Now, let's go to the defense. At the left back position, we'll have Amos Frimpong. Amos Frimpong has been very, very, very good. He's versatile. We all know he can play centre back, right back, and the left back. Amos Frimpong has been playing in the left back position for the past 2 games, while Augustin Sefa has been in the right back position. Amos Frimpong is likely to start from the left back position again on Sunday. Other options for the left back position remain Dakwa and Evans Owusu. Now let's go to the centre back. Wahab Adams will definitely start against House of Oak. Wahab Adams has been very good, considering that he's been very, very extraordinary in recent performance. The defender has been impressive in the last few games for Kotoko. Then his partner in the centre back will be either Ganiyu or Ajimambadu. Ganiyu is now returning from suspension, and he is likely to partner with Wahab Adams. He missed the last 2 games due to suspension. He assured the fans that he will be ready for the game on Sunday. He told the fans that when they interviewed him, he told the fans that he will be ready to play the game against House of Oak on Sunday. But if CK Akono doesn't feel he is fit enough for the game, Ajimambado will be looking to partner with Wahab Adams and the centre back. Now let's go to right back. Augustin Sefa is likely to keep his position in the right back position, and because he has been very, very good. Any changes that we are going to see in the right back position means that Amos Frimpong will go back to the right position against House of Oak on Sunday, but that is unlikely to happen considering the fact that Augustin Sefa has been very, very good at the right back position. Now let's go to the midfield. Kwame Bonsu will be looking to maintain his spot in the centre midfield on Sunday. CK Akono actually said that Kwame Bonsu form dropped, but he is glad that the player is picking up and has been improving him so far in the competition. And now Kwame Bonsu might partner with Habib Mohamed. So Habib Mohamed might continue partnering with Kwame Bonsu in the midfield. They played together against RTU and Koronza Warriors. CK Akono might also decide to bring Ajimambadu to the midfield. That's if Ganiyu is fit to play with Wahab Adams in the defense. Umar Bashir hasn't been seeing a lot of games so far in the special competition, and it could be a surprise package for the fans that Umar Bashir might be in the midfield. Another option there at the midfield might be Prince Aqua. If Prince Aqua is fit enough, he might play in the midfield with Kwame Bonsu. And now the right wing position, that is Emmanuel Jimfi's wing. No one drags that wing with him. So Emmanuel Jimfi will be looking to keep his position at the right wing against House of Oak. He has been Kotoko's player in the last 2 games, best player in the last 2 games, and will definitely start against House of Oak on Sunday. If you think about any player that has an automatic position in the starting lineup, it is Emmanuel Jimfi. He will definitely start at the right position on Sunday. Now the left wing position, Kwame Buhani has been impressive and has fought his way back to the starting lineup. If Kotoko will maintain the same formation, it means that Kwame Buhani will be at the left wing position. Then number 10 position, or attacking midfield position, Niaje has been playing in that number 10 position for the last 2 games, and he has scored in one of those games. I think so, yes. Niaje will be looking to keep his position if Fatao isn't involved in the preparations. Fatao might replace Niaje in the number 10 role. That's if he isn't playing in the striking position. That's if he comes back and Siki Akono decides not to put him in the striking position. Now, another option there is Kwame Bonsu. Kwame Bonsu can also play in the number 10 role. If Kwame Bonsu is playing in the number 10 role, it's either Prince Aqua is partnering with someone else in the center midfield. So Kwame Bonsu might also play the number 10 role. Then now we'll go to the striker. Now this is one position everyone is interested in knowing because it will be very crucial in the game. The person up front against Hearts of Oak will be very, 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 very crucial. And Naby Keita started up front for Kotoko in the last game and managed to score. So he might keep his place if Sonny Yakoba is not declared fit for the game on Sunday. Sonny Yakoba just returned to the training recently and he might start or he might not start. So Danny Zabo might be a surprise inclusion in that game, considering the fact that he didn't play against Bercom Arsenal in the last game. Sonny Yakoba will start if he is fit enough. He has been training with the team. He might also be only fit for the bench. Now, Abdul Fattah might also find himself playing up front. That's if Siki Akono decides to include him in the preparation of the game.